Take a ride in the 2006 Commander. The Jeep Commander offers more capability over rugged terrain than most drivers will ever need. It can haul up to 7 people and a lot of stuff just about anywhere it can fit. This vehicle has less than 130,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote power door locks, rear wiper, cruise control, trip computer, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, compass. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.